Welcome to the Startup and Daily Operation video for your iGo2 portable oxygen concentrator. Remember, before using your iGo2 on battery power for the first time, the battery needs to be fully charged. Connect the tubing to the oxygen outlet and cannula. To start your iGo2, press and hold the power button to turn it on until you hear a beep. When starting up your iGo2, the device will beep and briefly illuminate all symbols on the display control panel. The text on the control panel acts as a self-test that will automatically run through to ensure the functionality is operating correctly. The low oxygen symbol will stay illuminated until oxygen is in normal range, after which a green normal oxygen symbol illuminates. Properly position the cannula with the nasal prongs facing upward and insert the prongs into the nose. Wrap the cannula tubing over the ears and position in front of the body. The prescription setting on iGo2 will be shown in the main control panel. This should be set by your iGo2 medical equipment provider. The device has 5 settings. To change the setting, press the plus or minus symbol on the main screen to increase or decrease the amount of oxygen being produced. Please note that an increased setting will decrease the battery runtime. When the device is turned off, the setting will remain at the same oxygen setting when your iGo2 is turned back on. You're all set to start using your iGo2 portable oxygen concentrator.